Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to make two y-axis like y1 and y2 with the same x-axis. Okay, so let's go to the Excel sheet. So here we can see we have the one x-axis value and two y-axis value y1 and y2. We have to plot these all two y1 and y2 data with the help of same x. So what we will do, let's select all the three, go to the insert here, go to the chart, and here is scattered with smooth lines and markers. So whatever you want to draw, you can draw it using, if you want only lines, you can draw with this. If you want line and markers, you can do using this. If you want only marker, only dot lines, you can do like. So here I will tell you how to do scatter with smooth lines and markers. So select this. So you can see the two lines have been drawn. Let's delete this chart title for now. But when you draw it, you can see there is only one y-axis is there and there is no y2 axis is there. Okay. So if you want y2 for this side, double click the y2 line, double click it, there is a format data series will open, and in the series options, select the secondary axis. When you select the secondary axis, you will see there is a secondary y2 axis have been created. So this is how you will able to create both y1 axis and y2 axis with the single x axis using this method. So let's add the axis title. So using that, you will able to add the axis title. So this was the y2, edit it. This was the y1 and this was the x. You can shift the legend inside, make it bigger a little bit. You can delete the grid also, make it a box type of the plot. So go to the border, click the solid line and increase the width of the line is to 1. You can increase the line width of this axis also. Select here, go to the solid line, increase the width to 1. Select this axis x, go to the solid line, increase the width to the 1. Go to y2 axis, solid line, increase the width up to the 1. Okay, so like this you will able to create the two y-axis in the same graph using same x value in the Excel sheet. Okay, so thank you very much guys for watching this video. Thank you.